You crashed into the couch. You got to, hey. No, don't flip it over. There you go. Now walk some more. Uh-oh. Goofy. Why are you gonna walk along the wall? Does Mommy need a bigger living room for you? I'll keep that in mind. Bigger living room. Oh, there you go. Excuse me. Bye-bye. You're gonna crash again. Boom. You gotta back it up. You need a little help. Why don't you come back in here? Uh-oh. Don't go too fast. Well, that's an interesting hand positioning. What? Oh, you look at me like, don't talk crap. I got this. Ah. Good job, baby. Crash-a-boom.